Is up, boys? So this is going to be a trade recap for 26th, 27 actually, 27 May 2026. Here we go. I took a loss today, 1% on that, 1% down on this trade. Um, Not gonna lie, bro. So what do we have here? I basically see a break of structure and that's it. We have a clear draw on liquidity. The price is pushing down somewhere around here. We got a New York low right there. Everything says that the price is gonna go down, right? So I had 1:1. That's the one. That's the main motive, right? So I had my. I should be for this trade. I should be having my stop loss at this high right there, and my take profit should have been here or 1:1. So I would have probably got stopped out very quick sooner than I realized. But anyways, I just didn't want to take another trade for the rest of the day. So if either it's going to hit my take profit, either it's going to hit my stop loss. So that was the whole motto behind this trade. So price pushing down pretty much, uh, as you can see, we're coming down. We had a break of structure. We are sweeping liquidities, London low, Asian low, and the next target is going to be this New York low right there. So price was literally saying that it's gonna come and take that out. This has to be swept in this session. So, but basically what price did was different. So this should have been my entry and my stop loss should have been here and my takeoff should have been here. The entry, that's more than 1:2, right? So 1:2. So that should have been the trade, but my entry was a little bit early because the price is dropping and I thought the price is going to actually hold this value gap and then go down, sweep New York low. So that was the whole plan. And so I had my limit order exactly at the consequent encroachment of this candle, I mean, for the of this fair value gap. And I had my stop loss about this high. So my stop loss was really protected. I should have at least when break even here, should have closed the trade here, and then at least here, bro. Like after going for 90% of drawdown and price comes back into profits, I should have actually closed it, or like I should have just how to say this. I should have just break even that trade at least, but yeah, I just let it run and went up straight, went up to my stop loss. So I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't do much. So yeah, here we go. So that was the trade recap, and nothing much. Pretty much, I was targeting previous day's New York low. So it didn't happen once New York. I mean, a Asian session opens. It came back up and swept that swept that low right there. So. I'm not like really surprised of this trade. I'm not really sad about it because I followed my rule, and that's all that matters. And yeah, that was a bad trade management. Honestly speaking, I could have when break even at least here. I should have just closed it right here, same as here. So man, I don't know. I don't know why I did that. So, but anyways, here we go. That's it. That's about the trade recap for 27th of May 2026. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. All you gotta do is just go get it. So just go get it and keep in it. Keep showing up. And I'm up. Adios.